How to connect a PC to a Mac. Get an Ethernet or LAN cable. Plug the cable to the Ethernet port on both of the machines. Open a window on your PC. Go to Homegroup. Click on Create a Homegroup button. Check all the type of files you want to share and click on Next. Remember the password. Click on Finish once you're done. Click on Go on the Mac menu bar. Select Connect to Server. Type in your PC's network address on the server address field. Click on the plus button to add it to the server list. Click on the server address you've just added, and click on Connect. Type in the password that you got from the Windows PC. Open your Mac's Finder. The Windows PC's name should now appear on the left panel under the Shared section. Thanks for watching video.